How to create Etsy seller account just in some seconds on your browser, just with your PC or with your laptop. In order to create your Etsy seller account, you have to search for Etsy on the browser you use on your PC. And this is my Etsy account. This is my home page. But I will click on the sign in option on the right top of the screen to sign into my account. So if you don't have an account, what you have to do is simply just click below and there is an option to continue with Google account. Here you have to choose a fresh Google account which you have not used before. You can create one and then you can directly sign in from this account to your Etsy. Now my Etsy account is created and I don't need to do anything from this. I just need to update my profile, that is my contact number, my email address and other contact details. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it.